Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel, KVJ speaking. So today's video is going to basically be on Nas100 and US30, but before we go and look at the chart, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below. So let's go and look at the chart.
Ai patisi aqui pra champose, ai patisi aqui pra leiras, azula patisi aqui pra fandarra, azula patisi aqui pra namhlanje, azula patisi aqui pra fandarra, azula patisi aqui pra champose.
So guys, this is Nas100 chart. Let's just simply go to your daily time frame. As you know that I like to start my analysis on a daily time frame. So let's just switch off to your daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you're having something very interesting. So on a daily time frame, you're having what? We're having sort of this trend line. We're having this support trend line, which has been supporting for several months. So we know that we have been expecting what? We've been expecting Nas100 to do what? To come inside the resistance trend line, and then we are not focused on what? On selling the market, because we believe that we're gonna have what? We're gonna have market crash on what? On Nas100. We have said on our previous video that we want to see what? A candlestick close on a daily time frame inside the trend line, and then we want to focus on what? On selling the market, because we can't buy the highs. Right now we are doing what? We are selling the highs. So we're expecting Nas100 to do what? To come to this trend line, and then we're expecting to do what? We're expecting to buy it as we tie the trend line with a candlestick confirmation, of course, and then we're expecting to do what? To take your profit on what? On your highs. So that's why you're going to take your profit on your highs. That's why you're going to take your profit on the highs. So this is what we have been expecting. Right now is sort of doing what? Is sort of Nasdaq is deciding to give us the set of sales that we have been waiting for. You're going to see when I go to smaller time frame what I'm talking about. So we know that this is the resistance trend line. We sort of had what? First touch, second touch, and we sort of had what? A fake cut. So let's just go and do what? And evolve with the market. Right now, this is our what? This is our third touch of the market. So let's just simply evolve this. So we had a first touch, second touch. On our third touch, you know what it is? High probability trade. So we know that we're already in this cell that I've just showed you. So you just simply go to our previous video. You're gonna see what we have been expecting on Nas100. So let's just simply go to your H4 time frame. So in the H4 time frame, that's where you're gonna spot what? That's where you're gonna spot our trend. So we know that we had what? Our highest high of the market that was recently broken. So the new highest high of the market is sort of here. So this is the new highest high of the market. You're gonna see we had what? We had a head and shoulders pattern. That's why we sold when we got to this. When we got to this trend line, that's why we sold. So we know that we're expecting what? We're expecting a drop. We're expecting a drop to come to our what? To come to our previous high that we just recently broken. So we are expecting to take our overall profit in this cell that we are in right now. So let's just simply go to your what? Let's just simply mark your highs. So this is the highest, this is the new highs of the market, and this is your support. So that's where you're gonna take what? That's where you're gonna take your overall profit. And then from here, you're gonna wait for the candlestick close below this support, which this support is gonna be turned into what? It's gonna be turned into a new resistance, and then you are waiting to take what? To take your overall profit on what? On your lowest low, or your trend line, or your support trend line that we just saw on your what? On your daily time frame. So that's where Nas100 is headed. So we're gonna wait for it to come run about you. As you know that Nas100 does a bullish move. So you wanna focus more on buying. So we're gonna buy the market as soon as it touches this trend line with the candlestick confirmation, of course. So we're gonna buy it as soon as we tie this trend line. So let's just go and plot what? And plot let's just put a box here so that we can know that we are having something here, and then let's just go and do what? Erase this and erase this, because we know that this is the resistance line of the market. So right now, our new highest high of the market is this, and then let's just go and plot what? Then let's just go and make a trend from here, from your low, and then this from what? From the upside. So we had a first touch, second touch, third touch. You know what it is? High probability trade. So right now we are waiting for what? We are waiting for Nas100 to come and break this trend, and then we are waiting to take our overall profit somewhere around here. So right now we're just gonna focus on what? On what's inside the box. So right now we're gonna focus on what's inside the box. So let's just simply go switch to your what? Let's just simply switch to your 1 hour time frame. So on a 1 hour time frame, we're gonna see something very interesting. We are in what? We are in a downtrend. On a downtrend, we are doing what? You know what it is. On a downtrend, we are selling the market. We are not buying. We are not buying the market, because right now we can't buy the highs. We are selling the highs. So right now we are waiting for what? We are waiting for Nas100 to come and give us a third touch on our resistance trend line, and then we are waiting to do what? We are waiting for it to come to here, and then we are waiting for your candlestick confirmation, of course, and then we are waiting to take a sell to come and take your what? Your overall profit somewhere around here. So this is what we're gonna wait for. We're gonna wait for the market to push and come and respect this trend line, because this is your first touch, second touch, you know what it is. That touch, that's where you're gonna take your high probability trade, and then you're gonna do what? You're gonna take your overall profit somewhere around here. And then if you can see right now, we have just recently created a new low. On a new low, that's where you're gonna do what? That's where you're gonna plot your horizontal ray, and then we're expecting what? A trend. So this is your impulse, correction, impulse. So you sort of had what? You sort of had trends in what? In trends. So right now we're in a what? We're in an up trend, which is a minor trend. So we just recently had what? First touch, second touch. Maybe we can decide to come back for our third touch. That's why we're gonna buy the market short term. Yeah, if the market can decide to drop, you're gonna wait for your third touch, because we are coming to this. That's where we are coming. We are coming to this, and then from here you're gonna do what? You wanna sell the market. Right now we are done with buys. Right now, when the market opens, we're gonna push to this high, because I believe this is an impulse, and then a little bit of correction, and then we're gonna expect what? Your impulse. From here, if the market can decide to touch our resistance line, that's where we're gonna sell the market. So right now, we are having what? We are having a first touch. If you can come back for the third touch, that's where you're gonna do what? You're gonna buy. However, this is a selling market currently. So you wanna do what? You wanna wait for the market to come around about here, and then from here, that's where you're gonna do what? You're gonna take your first TP somewhere around here, because this can be followed by your third touch. But I advise you to sell here, and then as soon as we break this trend line, that's where you're gonna do what? You're gonna enter another sell, and then you're gonna take your first TP is gonna be somewhere around here, and then your second TP is gonna be somewhere around here, because that's where we are coming. So that's it for Nas100. Let's just simply go to your what? Your US30. But before you go to the US30, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and click the notification button down below, and don't forget to comment. So let's just go to your US30 chart. So US30. So US30. So this is US30 for you. Let's just simply erase this. So let's just simply go to your what? Your H4 time frame. So your H4 time frame, that's an important time frame of them all, because that's where you're gonna spot your trend if you are a scalper trader. So let's just simply go, because this is the highest, this is the strongest zone of the market. We're gonna plot our horizontal ray, and then right now you're gonna plot what? Your highest high of the market, which was previously broken to become what? To become support, and then the lowest low of the market, that's where we are supporting. If the market can decide to come around about here, that's where you're going to see something like your push face, and then you're going to see the market reacting when we come to this. You're going to expect what? You're going to expect your spike, and then spike like this one, and then you're going to buy the market to the highs. You're going to buy the market to the highs. So right now, just recently created what? Your new low. So this is your new high. I mean, your new high of the market. Let's just simply go and plot what? Your trend. So let's just simply take your trend line. We're having something like this. We just recently had what? First touch, second touch, and then we are waiting for what? We are waiting for the market to give us what? To give us your third touch. So expecting the market to give us your third touch, that's where you're going to focus on doing what? On buying the market. That's where you're going to be. That's where you're going to take our overall profit, because from here, maybe you can create something like a double top, and then from a double top, that's where you're going to see us dropping. So this is what you're going to be expecting long term. But however, right now we're in an uptrend. We're expecting to buy USD as soon as it gets to this trend line. That's where you're going to buy it. And then where the support, you know what it is. There's a resistance. So where the support, there's a resistance. Where we are resisting is somewhere around here. And then we just recently had what? First touch, second touch, third touch. That's where you're going to do what? We're going to see sort of a push face, a big push face to your what? Your downside to come and give us what? Our third touch on your below trend line or your support trend line. So let's just simply go to your what? Let's just simply go to your 1 hour time frame, because on our 1 hour time frame, that we're gonna see something very interesting. Let's just go and plot what? Your lowest, your minor. This is the minor low of the market. That's where we sort of created something like what? Something like your support. And then I believe this is an impulse. Right now we are in a little bit of correction. So let's just go plot where we are creating that correction. And then where the support, you know what it is. There's a resistance. So resistance, we're having something like this here, because we're having a support. So this is support of the market. So right now, just recently broken. You're gonna see when we go to your what? When you go to your 30-minute time frame, we just simply broken out, and then you wanna wait for your market, the market to retest here, and then you wanna wait for what? You wanna wait to take the buys. But however, I believe this is a third touch of the market, because we had a first touch, second touch. From here, we're going to have something like a takeout. And then you're going to do what? If you can break inside the trend line, you're going to what? You're going to take your profit when we get to this, or when we get to this. So that's where you're going to be targeting on US30. Let's just simply go to your what? Your 30-minute time frame. So on a 30-minute time frame, you're going to see something very interesting on a 30-minute time frame, because we just recently did what? We just recently broken out of what? Out of our correction. So the market moves in what? In three phases: impulse, correction, impulse. So right now, just recently broken out of this, and then we want to see what? You're going to see what? You're going to see something like this. If you can decide to come and reject on the trend line, it will be what? It will be your retest, and then you're going to do what? You're gonna wait for it to buy. You're gonna buy it here on the touch of the trend line, and then you're gonna wait. You're gonna be waiting to take your overall profit somewhere around here. If this doesn't play out, because I believe it can be something like your what? Like your fake out. You're gonna wait for your chart to come and close below. That's where you're gonna take what? Your sell. So that's it for US30, guys. Don't forget to go and follow us on Instagram. My personal handle is Kevin_James, and then our business account is FOREX_Ghost. So that's it for today. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share and comment. So we're gonna see you on the next video. Peace out.